Start the countdown as we are only 1 week away from official launching of Beast Samsung's Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, each launching for the 2018 Mobile World Congress, are firmly rooted in the recipe for success of its predecessors, which have become trendsetters with so-called infinity displays and have fundamentally changed the market. Thus, one makes more careful changes externally, for example arranges the fingerprint reader a little differently and introduces a new color with lilac purple. One focus Samsung this year again on the camera and the speakers, because the company introduces on the back now at least the Samsung Galaxy S9 and SMG 965 a dual camera unit. The company also sets the Galaxy S9 SMG 960 on a variable aperture, so that the user can switch between an aperture of each f1.5 and f2.4. In this way, optimal images are possible in both extremely well-lit scenes and in low light conditions. Add to that a slow motion function, thanks to the new Samsung Galaxy S9 models videos with up to 960 image scan record per second. At least one full HD resolution should be possible, although the information we have is not yet confirmed. The Galaxy S9 and comes as mentioned a dual camera is used, which combines two 12-megapixel sensors. One of them uses the mentioned combination of two aperture settings, while the second sensor offers a f2.4 aperture. Both sensors feature an optical image stabilizer and each use a combination of laser and dual pixel autofocus to focus as quickly as possible. On the front each sits an 8-megapixel camera with f1.7 aperture, which, unlike most front cameras, comes with its own autofocus. Another focus for the Galaxy S9 and S9 and are the speakers. The devices are each stereo donated, the new dimensions should open and betoned be the audio specialist AKG. Combined with the included headsets with AKG branding, the Galaxy S9 even provides surround sound. Displays at first glance identical, but less edge. The displays have been reworked, but their size has not changed. The Galaxy S9 also has a 5.8-inch Super AMOLED panel on board, which works with 2960 by 1440 pixels and thus offers a QHD and resolution. The aspect ratio stays at 18.5 by 9. The same goes for the Galaxy S9 Plus, which features a 6.2-inch screen with 2960 by 1440 pixels and diamond pixel matrix. The position of the panel has been slightly changed so that the edge at the bottom of the unit has shrunk slightly. Also known from the earlier models, iris scanner and face recognition return with the S9. Whether or not a similar iPhone X technology is used to capture the user's face is something we cannot confirm, but Samsung has recently made some hints and has promised to introduce its own version of the Animoji. Thus, in the future, even under Android animated emoji can be sent. Samsung has also redesigned the internals in its new S9 series. In Europe, for example, the Samsung Exynos 9810 octa-core SoC is used, which is a processor with a 10nm structure width. The chip features four 1.9 GHz power-saving cores combined with four high-end cores with a full 2.9 GHz clock speed. While the Galaxy S9 with 4 GB of memory has to make do, Samsung missed the Galaxy S9 Plus to 6 GB of memory. The European standard version of the two devices comes with 64 GB of fast UFS 2.1 flash memory, which can be expanded by up to 400 GB if required using a micro SD card reader. In addition, both models will be available not only as a single SIM but also as a dual SIM variant. The battery of the Galaxy S9 is in the normal version 3000 mAh large, while the power storage of the Galaxy S9 and comes to at least 3500 mAh. Samsung promises, as usual, that the batteries can bring the user comfortably through a whole working day. The power supply can be carried out both via supplied fast chargers and via wireless charging. The two new Samsung flagships each run on Android 8.0, based on the recently introduced Samsung Experience 9 sets, so the Surface strongly adapted and expanded with its own functions. As in the past, the new S9 models are IP68 certified and thus able to survive up to 30 minutes in a water depth of up to 1.5 meters. The customer probably has the choice between 3 color variants in Europe. In addition to the well-known Midnight Black and Coral Blue, So Black and Blue holds a variant in the color Lilac Purple collection for the first time. In other regions also appears a variant in the color Titanium Gray, as colleague Evan Blass made clear. So far, we cannot say much about the prices, but there are indications from Scandinavia, according to which the new models could be around €100 more expensive than before. Samsung will begin accepting pre-orders for the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus as early as February 25, 2018, the date of the official presentation of its two new top smartphones. Delivery of the new models will take place from March 8, 2018.